been a very successful morning. I've got the new on control sorted out with its nice brass spring. Lift it up, let go, it sees if it's time for tea and then falls back down again. Let's just try that again. And there's the little ball bearings you can see that pop out to hold it, and inside there's the top of the servo motor that pulls the string. Let's try that again. Oh, I want to know that it's time for tea. So that's lovely. Now, next thing, which I'd like your help with, is thinking about a word or a label to go here, an engraved label, and here that lines up with its off position, if you like. Something perhaps like waiting, and something at the top that could say consulting, something like that. But I'd love to know what you think about that. And also, at the same time, I've got this lovely old trumpet that I've used bits of for other things, but it's got the three buttons with mother of pearl in a couple of them. I think that would be really nice. They'd be lovely to use on this side of the enclosure. Just 1, 2, 3, again with little engraved labels over them. I'd love your ideas on what 3 buttons you could have on the front of an Is It Time for Tea machine. I look forward to reading your replies, hopefully all polite and above board. Lovely. Thanks very much for watching.